ODJB Digital Junction Box. ODJB4, suitable for weighbridges below 10 tons, can be connected to 2 to 4 analog sensors. ODJB8, suitable for more than 10 tons, can be connected to 2 to 8 analog sensors. Flexible wiring. The analog sensor on the floor scales is converted to a digital signal by L through ODJB. IoT weighing, simple to operate. Intelligent floor scale app. Wi-Fi connects to multiple digital junction boxes. Weight. Read the weighbridge weighing data in real time. Multiple weighbridges can choose the same material for weighing. Single weighbridge can select some material and print. Different from the traditional junction box complex parameter adjustment, the digital junction box adjustment is intuitive and simple. Capacity setting. Check. Tuning the corners, automatic tuning. Error detection, ODJB prompt light flashing, buzzer sounded, app prompt. The communication between ODJB box and tablet is via Wi-Fi. ODJB digital junction box can be connected to 16 sensors or more. Customize services that quickly integrate into your work environment and reduce your development costs, like web API integration with MES or ERP.